Really, yeah, we can go from season to season. We had winter last week, both with the snow and the cold. Now, over the weekend, it was a mixed bag. That storm that brought rain, snow, lightning, thunder, grapple, it brought it all. And we've got another storm lining up that's going to come in a similar fashion. But not today. We've got the sunshine. We get a break. We've got 50s right now in St. George. Here along the Wasatch Front, we'll see a few high clouds streaming through here in the afternoon hours. We're in the mid-40s, aiming for the low 50s, so temperatures close to where they should be for this time of year. Yeah, that cold front that came in yesterday is not bringing the cold air. Both of these storms coming in from the west, not directly from the north. Now, as we get that break today, the next storm hitting looks like tomorrow evening. A time range between about 6 and 8 p.m. Extreme northern Utah, it's a little bit earlier than that. And it looks like it'll bring valley rain, mountain snow. Snow accumulations, there's kind of a change there as we look at this. And looking at the confidence with the storm, we know it's hitting tomorrow night. Widespread rain and snow, well, this storm's like yesterday's storm will have a main impact across northern, northeastern Utah, southwest Wyoming, and that's where we're going to see the precipitation, and where we see snow up in the mountains, that's where we'll get the accumulation. No, it's not going to bring colder air. We don't see much of a change in temperature as we go Tuesday, Wednesday into Thursday. Yeah, we'll see a little bit of a temperature drop, but remember last week we were doing 20 and 30 degree swings. That will not be the case. Now, the snow that we'll see, well, we'll see it in the valleys. Mountains, yes, pick up a bit, but we're changing it where we're kind of scaling back with this next storm. High pressure in place, lining up this next cold front. It gets here again, as I mentioned, tomorrow evening. Now, as we take a look at the snow situation, where nothing expected here over the next 24 hours. We don't get it going until Tuesday evening. So as I go from Tuesday evening to Wednesday morning, you see over the mountains, northern Utah, western Uinta Mountains, that blue color kind of puts it into that 1 to 3 inch range. You can see some darker blues. We don't see it except over the Uinta Mountains. There's just maybe one little location there. So all in all, I'm going to kind of go 2 to 4 inches for most spots, maybe 3 to 6 inches in other locations. So yesterday's storm produced a foot of snow up at Brighton. Not going to see that from this storm. It kind of hits quickly and then moves on its narrow band of precipitation that we get with that front, with some lingering showers overnight, and then that storm moves on. Today, though, it's sunny across central, southern, and eastern Utah, northern Utah, partly cloudy skies throughout the afternoon. You see those highs where in St. George we go from 60s to 70s and hold on to the 70s Wednesday. With some winds in place, you don't see the rain. You get a little cooler on Thursday, back into the 70s for the weekend. And then another front hits, bringing some clouds, maybe a brief shower on Sunday. We'll see that temperature drop, though, as we go from Saturday into Sunday. Now, for northern Utah, we get hit with that rain tomorrow evening. Could even see some thunderstorm activity pushing through between 6 and 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, with lingering showers Wednesday morning into early Wednesday afternoon. It is cooler. We'll see upper 40s, but rebounding back into the 50s and then even 60s heading into the weekend. Another front hits, bringing rain in the valley, snow in the mountains, and that's what we're seeing from these next series of storms. So the one that hit yesterday, kind of a sign of what we'll be experiencing here through the upcoming week.